Now we take second example. So processing n job on two machines. So now concentrate this question. You have to solve, otherwise all questions other. So see here, what is question? Find sequence, total elapsed time and idle time. There are three things you have to find out. First is sequence, second is total elapsed time, third is idle time. For two machines, the time required for performing printing, binding operation for different 7 books are shown below. Time given in hours. So time कशामध्ये दिलाय? Hours मध्ये दिलाय. या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपलं जे युनिट आहे ते काय असणार आहे? Hours. So see here, books. There are 7 books. First book is English, second book Maths, third book OCM, fourth book EBK, fifth is SP, sixth book Economics, and the last is Hindi. So printing machine for English book, how many take? Time 20 hours. याला 20 तास लागतील. कशासाठी? प्रिंटिंगसाठी. इंग्लिशचं बुक प्रिंट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला 20 आवर टाइम लागणार आहे आणि ते बाइंड करण्यासाठी किती वेळ लागणार आहे? 25 मिनिट्स. म्हणजे टोटल टाइम किती लागणार आहे? 45 मिनिट, 45 आवर्स. ओके, टाइम आपल्याला दिल्या आवर्समध्ये, म्हणजे ह्या सगळ्या एंट्री कशामध्ये असणार आहेत? आवर्समध्ये. सिमिलरली समजा आपलं मॅथ्सचं बुक आहे, ते काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला? प्रिंटिंग पण करायचं आहे आणि बाइंडिंग पण करायचं आहे. प्रिंटिंग करण्यासाठी मॅथ्सच्या बुकला टाइम किती लागतो? 60 आवर्स. आणि बाइंडिंग करण्यासाठी किती आवर लागतो? 40 आवर्स, म्हणजे 100 आवर्स लागतात. तसंच बाकीच्या सगळ्या बुक्ससाठी किती टाइम लागतो हे या टेबलमध्ये दिलं आहे. मग आपल्याला एम काय? आपलं एम हे आहे की आपल्याला असा सिक्वेन्स ठरवायचा आहे, असा सिक्वेन्स फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे की जेणेकरून टोटल हे वर्क कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी 7 बुक प्रिंटिंग ॲज वेल ॲज बाइंडिंग दोन्ही कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी किती टाइम लागतो ते म्हणजे टोटल इलॅप्स टाइम. ते सगळं करताना त्या दोन्ही मशीनचा ऑफ टाइम किती जातो म्हणजे आयडल टाइम. In this question you have to find out sequence, total elapsed time, idle time. So now we find optimal sequence. How? See here. If smallest element belongs to first machine, whatever your machine, here it is printing machine. So you have to write the name of job, name of book, name of work is write first to next. Otherwise you have to write last to first. So students, which is the smallest element from all entries? Smallest element is 20. Okay, so 20 belongs to which machine? First machine. So you have to write this English name of the book, you have to write in first because from 20 belongs to printing machine. So 20 belongs to printing machine, that's why the name of book English, write down here English first. Okay, so cross off this book. Next, from remaining entries, remaining time entries, which is the smallest value? Smallest value is 24. So 24 is from which machine? Second machine, binding. So you have to write last to next, but what? The name of the book. So which is name of the book? EBK. So write down here EBK. What is the number of EBK? 4th number. So cross off this job. Next, from remaining entry, which is the smallest element? 25. So 25 belongs to which machine? Printing machine. So printing machine is first machine. So you have to write first to next. But what? Job. 25 book name is Economics. Economics, 6th number. Cross off this job. Next, from remaining number, which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 40. So concentrate here. 40, again here 40. Both are from which machine? Which machine? Binding machine. So binding machine, 40 maths, this 40 Hindi, as your wish. First of all, I write maths, next write Hindi. Okay, so Hindi is 7th number, maths is 2nd number. Cross off this job. Next, Which is the smallest element? 50, 43, 110, 80. Smallest is 43. 43 is belongs to which machine? Binding machine. So 43 belongs to binding machine. Machine is the second machine. So you have to write last to first. So 43, name of the book is OCM. OCM, third number. Okay, so now what is remaining? Remaining is only book name SP. So write down here SP. Fifth. So now students, we have to go this sequence, using this sequence: English, Economics, SP, OCM, Hindi, Maths, EBK. By using this sequence, we have to find out table. So working table is, write down here all entries from sequence. First of all, English, next is Economics, next is SP, next is OCM, next is Hindi, next is Maths, and the last is ABK. So what is our processing time in? Time in is 0 hour. Why 0 hour? Because we are starting here. Starting time is always 0 hour, 0 minute, 0 week, 0 days. Whatever you are given in question. So now English, for printing, English has to take how much time? English 20. So 0 plus 20 is 20. So 20, take it here as it is. For Economics, what is the value given in question? 25. 20 plus 25, how much? 45. Now 45 as it is. What is the value of SP? Value of SP is 110. 110 plus 45, how much? 155. So write down here 155. Now 155 as it is. Value of OCM. Value of OCM is 50. So 155 plus 50, how much? 205. So 205 as it is. What is the value of Hindi in question? Hindi 55. So 205 plus 55 is 260. So 260 hours as it is. Here, what is the value of Maths in question? 60 hours. 60 hour. 260 plus 60, how much? 320. So write down here 320 hours. Next, value of EBK is 30. So 320 plus 30 is 350. So total time out of printing is what? 350 hours. Now this 20 time out as it is take here time in. So now value for binding machine. English साठी बाइंडिंग साठी किती वेळ लागतो इंग्लिशला? 25 minutes. 20 plus 25 45. Next 45 here same value. So 45. Value of Economics. Value of Economics is 35. So 45 plus 35 80. So write down here 80. 155 and 80. Compare these two values. Which is the maximum value? 155 hours. So write down here 155. Now for SP, how much value? 80 hours. So 155 plus 80, 5, 13, carry 1, 235. Now compare these two values, 205 and 235. So which is the greater value? 235. So write down here 235. Now value of OCM is 43. So 235 plus 43 is 278. So write down here 278. Now again compare these two values. Which is the maximum value? 278. So write down here 278. Value of Hindi. Hindi is 40 hours. So 278 plus 40 is 318. So 318 hours. Now again compare these two values. 318 or 320. Which is the maximum? 320. So write down here this value. 320. Now for Maths, how much time to take binding? 320. Maths साठी लागतो टाइम आपल्याला 40 hours. So 320 plus 40, 360. Again compare these two values. which is the greater? 360. So 360 for binding. EBK book gives the time 24. So 360 plus 24 is 384. Okay. Now idle time for binding. So this 20, take it here, 20 as it is. Now 45 minus 45, 0, 80, 155 minus 80. So see here, 155 minus 80 is 75. So write down here 75. Now 235 minus 235, 0, 278 minus 278, 0, 318 minus 320, means difference between these two values is 2. Here 360 minus 360 is 0. So now total minimum elapsed time is how much? 384 hours. Next, idle time for printing. Idle time for printing, how to find? T minus time out. What is time out of printing? Time out of printing is 350. So 384 minus 350, how much we get? 34 hours. And the last, idle time for binding, add these values, 75 plus 0 plus 20, 75, 85, 95, 95 plus 2, 97 hours. So students, I hope so तुम्हाला हा क्वेश्चन समजला असेल. याच्यामध्ये सिक्वेन्स कसा काढायचा, आयडल टाईम कसा काढायचा आणि टोटल मिनिमम इलॅप्स टाईम कसा काढायचा आहे. युनिट मस्ट बी राईट. थँक्यू सो मच.